Hi, this is the Motorola Edge 40 Neo and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings and then tap to personalize. Here you'll see the wallpapers. Just tap on it, click to lock screen, tap to change wallpaper, and you could select photo from the gallery or to use different just available default wallpapers. Select one from the wallpapers from here. You could see the preview on local home screen. Tap to the right down corner and tap to the lock screen. Wallpaper set successfully, so let's just lock the device, and as you can see we just successfully changed our wallpaper. Also we could make it by another way. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap to the wallpapers, and by the same way you could use here my photos. For example, photos from a device gallery or downloaded previously from the internet. Also, you could use one from the default wallpapers. So let's just select one from them. Tap to OK, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.